Fantastic. The breakfast was amazing. I was shocked at how good it was. The room was very nice. I loved the interior. The staff was very nice. The gym was small but had enough to get a workout in. The hotel is in front of a great beach, too. Exceptional. We stay 4 delicious nights in October and we really appreciate the spirit of this place. All peoples do the job to make your stay a magic moment. A-OK hand emoji. Vybornu Bidovani. Your site od porkam zobrat cs bungalow. Perfectni hotel, vybavini ni j na ufc no upland post hakuye, vsade planozelin. Restauracion na plazi super na kavu a drinky. Ranaki neot borikam nestali zavela a loped / visera parekna. Nozaj dobravaria ikdomache jedla. Personal nozaj miliot kashnikov, upertovakias po receptni. Lovely family resort. We enjoyed 6 nights here. The restaurant had an extensive menu. The kids loved the water slide and it was straight onto the beach. We had adjacent rooms, so plenty of space, and 2 bathrooms. There was a seating area at the front. There were plenty of restaurants and bars on the beach if we fancied a change, and also a number of restaurants on the main road. The minimalist at the top of the drive had a good selection of basic items. We didn't hire scooters, so needed to get motorbike taxis if we wanted to go further. These could be found at the top of the road, or reception would bring one for us. We got breakfast included, which was nice, a bit cold, but it is everywhere. Great hotel, beautiful hotel. You can't really swim on this beach, thought you have to go further up, but it's easy to either walk or scooter or tuk-tuk. Perfect little place. Love this place. Mid-island we rented scooter and was easy to go everywhere. Lovely grounds at hotel, nice restaurant and bar. Nice staff. No and Sanyo were so nice, beach was clean and nice to swim at, and nightly fire show. We'll be back next year.